Bangladesh, a land of resilience, a nation cradled by rivers, yet cursed by rising waters. In August, unprecedented floods submerged homes, destroyed livelihoods, and displaced thousands. A catastrophe beyond imagination, leaving lives hanging by a thread. With every monsoon, the rivers that sustain life turn into relentless forces of destruction. Rising seas and erratic rains now threaten to erase entire communities, pushing millions closer to despair. For those trapped in this watery grave, hope seemed distant. But when the waters rose, so did the courage of a generation. In the face of chaos, youth became the first responders. Uniting from universities and communities, they moved swiftly, without orders, without hesitation. Armed with trucks, boats, and a fierce determination to save lives. They came like angels. Everyone thought it was the end, but these young heroes gave thousands their life back. Rescue was just the beginning. These young champions ensured no one went hungry, no wound went untreated. From remote villages to crowded shelters, they carried hope in their hands. When the waters receded, the work didn't end. These youth took on the monumental task of rebuilding, restoring not just homes, but the dignity of their people. Bangladesh is no stranger to hardship. Yet, in every crisis, it finds heroes. This time, it was its youth. They faced the floods, battled despair, and emerged as the saviors their nation needed. But this is not just a story of resilience. It is a call to action. Bangladesh remains one of the most vulnerable nations to climate change. These floods are a glimpse of a future we must prevent. And in this fight, the youth have shown they are ready to lead. The world must act. Together, we can ensure no one is left behind.